today. My friends, today we're going to make a super yummy Halloween treat. I'm so excited. Okay, my friends, now before we get started, please subscribe to my channel to see more fall and Halloween activities with me and Teacher Sabrina. Awesome, thank you so much. Okay, my friends, for our Halloween treat today, we're going to need 3 ingredients. The first ingredient we're going to need is apples. So go grab some apples out of your kitchen right now. If you have some, yay, ask your mom or dad for help if you need help finding these ingredients. So we need apples. You can just use 1 apple if you want, but I have 2 just in case. So we're going to make a lot. So here we go. I have 2 apples, or you can just have 1 apple. Perfect. And then we need some marshmallows. Yay, yummy marshmallows. Awesome. We need some little cute marshmallows. Okay, and then our third ingredient we're going to need is some peanut butter or a nut butter. But my friends, make sure you ask your mom or dad or whoever's with you for help with this. If you're allergic to peanut butter or have any peanut allergies, then we can use something else instead, okay? But if not, then let's grab this peanut butter. Yay, awesome. Okay, my friends, so we have apples and we have marshmallows and we have some peanut butter. So yay, now let's get started. I'm gonna step into the kitchen, my friends. Okay, here we go. Yay, that's better. Awesome. Okay, now we're in the kitchen. So yay, go to your kitchen, my friends. Okay, now we're gonna start making our treat. So first, I'm gonna put on my cute little apron here, so I don't want to get my clothes dirty, right? So here we go. And now, okay, so make sure you have your apple, and then you have your marshmallows, and you have your peanut butter. Okay, my friends. Perfect. So now that we have all of our ingredients, we also need a cutting board or something to cut on, maybe a plate or a cutting board. And then we just need a knife. Now you might need to ask your mom or dad or whoever is with you right now to help you, okay, with this part, because we have to be really careful when we're dicing our apple, okay? So we just need a little knife. Okay, perfect. Now let's go ahead and get started making our Halloween treat. Okay, my friends, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour some of our marshmallows into a bowl just to make it a little easier, but here we go. So we have our marshmallows. You just need about this many. It's kind of as many as you want to make for our treat. So here we go. Okay, my friends, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to wash our apples so they're nice and clean, and we can dry them off like this. Perfect. Now they're all clean and ready to go. Awesome. Okay. So let's see. Remember, you just need 1 apple. It just depends on how many you want to make. Awesome. Okay, so now remember, ask your mom or dad or whoever is with you right now to help if you need help. Okay, my friends, and we're just going to start by cutting our apples. Here we go. We're just going to cut them like this. And then we don't want to eat the middle part because there's seeds in the middle. So I'm just going to put that to the side for now. Perfect. And so now that we have some slices like this, we're just going to slice those into kind of chunky little slices. And remember, these little apples are going to be like Halloween teeth. So we kind of want them to be nice and straight. This one's kind of a good example. See how it's nice and straight? Perfect. Okay, we're just going to cut these up. Awesome, just like this. Okay. And it's really nice because 1 apple can actually make a lot of these treats. So I like to eat these maybe once you come home from school, if you want a little Halloween snack, or you can eat these on Halloween night, or you can even give them out to your friends. Awesome. Okay, so here's our apple slices. Okay, my friends, now that we have some apple slices cut up, here comes the fun part. We're just going to take our peanut butter here and we're going to spread it on the apple slices. So here we go. Once again, be really careful. Just get a little knife. And what we're going to do is just spoon some peanut butter out to start. And we're just going to spread it on one side of our apple slices. So here we go. And it's okay if it gets a little messy, just like that, just on one side, okay? Perfect. So let's do that on all our slices. We're just gonna put some peanut butter on one side. Perfect, like this. There we go. Ooh, I love to eat yummy apples and peanut butter. I'm so excited to see what our treats look like. Our little Halloween mouths with their teeth. Awesome, my friends. Here we go. Just spoon the peanut butter on, and you can put as much as you want. Perfect. And if you don't like to use peanut butter, my friends, or if you have an allergy, you can also use other fun things like marshmallow fluff to stick your teeth on with. So that's really fun too. This is so fun! I love cooking! Yay! Y'all are doing so good, my friends! These are gonna look so cute! I'm so excited! And this side's gonna be like the mouth, the red part, so yeah, it's gonna be so cute. I'm super excited for Halloween this year, my friends. I bet it's gonna be so much fun. Ooh, my friends, what are you gonna be for Halloween? What costume are you gonna be? Wow, that's awesome! Oh my goodness! Okay, my friends, now that we've put peanut butter on all of the little mouths, now is the fun part where we get our marshmallows and we make the little teeth. Oh, I'm so excited! Look, my friends, here we go. So we're just gonna put the little teeth on the apple like this. You're just gonna stick them in the peanut butter. And then once you've done that, you're just gonna take an apple slice and you're gonna put it right on top like this. Ta-da! Look, it's like a funky little Halloween mouth. So cute! Oh my goodness, our first one. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it here on our plate so it can sit while we build our other ones. Perfect. So I'm gonna take a nice flat piece for the bottom part of our mouth, and then I'm just gonna hold it, and I'm gonna put some teeth, some little marshmallows on there like this. So cute! About 4 marshmallows fit well on mine. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna take a little top part of the mouth, and I'm gonna stick it on top. Ew, look at that peanut butter. Ew, that looks like a Halloween mouth. Awesome, very good. And then when you're done, just put it on the plate. Perfect. Okay, here we go. Let's make this one. How are yours turning out, my friends? I'm so excited. I can't wait to see them. Awesome. Okay, here we go. My friends, these are looking so good. I can't wait to try them. These are turning out so cute. Okay, here we go. Got some more marshmallows and peanut butter. It's kind of cute, my friends. Like the messier the peanut butter is, the cooler it looks. The more Halloween and funky it looks. Look at that. La, 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 la. It looks like a monster mouth. Awesome. Very good. Okay, look at all our teeth here. I'm so excited to taste our treat, my friends. I bet they're going to be so good. Here we go. Awesome. Some little marshmallow teeth. Wow, these are looking so cute. Ah, look at this one. His tooth is falling out. Okay, here we go. Here's our last one that I have. Yay, these are looking so good. These are a perfect, healthy, yummy treat. Look at this mouth. Awesome, very good. Look how cute. Yay, my friends, look at our awesome little Halloween treats we made. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. Y'all did so good at making our Halloween apple mouths. Oh my gosh, those look so yummy. Awesome. Wow, everybody, check out these cute monster mouths. Wow, these apple peanut butter marshmallow treats are going to be so yummy for Halloween. Awesome. Now let's give ourselves a round of applause. Very good. And my friends, if you want to be in one of my videos, make sure you take a picture of the Halloween mouths that you made. I want to see your tasty treats that you made, my friends. Just take a little selfie or have your mom or dad take a picture of you holding up your plate of yummy foods that you made with me, and then have your parents send me an email. It's in the description below. It's teachersabrinalearning@gmail.com. Have your parents send me an email with a picture of you holding up your tasty treats that you made, and then in my next fall video, I'll post all the pictures that I have of my friends making our yummy treats. Yay! Awesome job, my friends. Okay, my friends, now I'm going to try one of our little peanut butter marshmallow apple mouths that we made. I'm so excited. Let's see it. Those are really good. Try them, my friends. Did you like it? Yeah? Yay! Awesome job. Me too. Awesome. Well, thank you everyone so much for coming to Teacher Sabrina's Halloween cooking class today. Yay, I had so much fun with you. Awesome. Well, my friends, make sure you subscribe to my channel to see all of my latest videos. And yay, I will see you next time. Happy Halloween. Happy October, everybody. See you next time. Bye, everyone. If you'd like to check out more fun classes with Teacher Sabrina, check out my Counting with Food class. We'll learn how to count from 1 to 10, and we'll learn all about yummy fruits and vegetables. Or you can check out my Explore the Renaissance Festival class. I'll take you on a field trip to the Renaissance Festival. We'll see horses and acrobats, and it'll be so much fun, my friends. Yay! Thank you, everyone. See you next time.